Hey, wait. Before we start, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. You sound a little far away, but it's okay. Are you sitting down properly?
Kind of. Okay, now I am. Wow, long day.
Same here. Same here. You know that tired but happy feeling?
Oh, yeah, exactly that. This is actually perfect for today.
Yeah? Why?
Because today we're talking like real life, meeting new people, talking, saying, tell me about yourself. That tired, real life English.
Yeah, not the perfect English, the real English.
Exactly. Hey everyone, welcome back.
Welcome, welcome.
This is the One English Podcast.
The One English Podcast.
I'm Wally,
And I'm Sam.
and today we're just talking, like friends, about English in daily life.
Yeah, meeting new people, that first moment when someone says, "So, tell me about yourself."
That question.
That scary question.
Yeah, simple words, big pressure.
Mm. So if you're listening, relax. You can walk, sit, lie down, just listen.
Yeah, no stress, just real English. And if you like this kind of slow, friendly English,
You can like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and maybe share it with a friend who's learning English.
Okay, done. Now we talk.
Now we talk. Pause.
So, Sam, let me ask you something.
Uh-oh. Okay.
You meet someone new, first time, maybe at work, maybe at a cafe, and they say, tell me about yourself. What do you say?
Hmm. It really depends. Like, who is the person? Where am I?
Yeah, that's true.
If it's work, I feel more serious. If it's casual, I feel more free.
Yeah. I feel the same. At work, I say my job first.
Yeah, same. I'm Sam. I work in blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, English.
But with friends or new friends, I talk about small things.
Like what?
Where I'm from, what I like, coffee, music, simple stuff.
Yeah. I think people worry too much.
Oh, a lot. Pause.
They think they need a big story.
Or perfect grammar.
Exactly. But real life, people don't talk like that.
No, not at all. Pause.
I remember one time,
Oh, story time.
yeah, I met someone at a friend's party. I was tired. Social battery, 0.
I know that feeling.
And she said, so, tell me about yourself. And my brain just stopped.
Oh no.
I said, I'm Wally. I like pizza.
That's it?
That's it. And then I laughed. She laughed. And you know what?
What?
It was fine. We talked for like an hour after that.
See, that's real life.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be perfect.
And honestly, that answer sounds friendly.
Pizza helps.
Pizza always helps. Pause.
So let's imagine you and me. We just met.
Okay.
I'm a new person. I say, hey, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
So tell me about yourself.
Okay. Well, I'm Sam. I'm from a small city. I work during the week, and I really like quiet mornings. I like coffee. I like walking. Nothing special. Pause.
That sounds nice though.
Yeah, see? Simple.
And natural. You paused. You said, that's normal.
People are scared of and
But native speakers say it all the time.
all the time. Pause.
You go. Okay. I'm Wally. I grew up in a busy place, so now I like calm things.
Oh,
I work online. I talk a lot. And I like meeting people, but I also get tired.
that's very honest.
Yeah, that's me.
And that's enough.
Exactly. Pause.
You know what I notice?
What?
When people meet new people, they think English is the problem. But often, it's not English. It's just meeting people is hard,
Yeah, even in your own language.
right? That awkward moment. What do I say? What do I ask?
Silence feels big.
But silence is okay too.
Pause. I learned that late.
Me too. I used to talk just to fill space.
Same. I'd say random things.
And sometimes that's okay.
Sometimes it's funny.
Yeah. Pause. Have you ever met someone and felt relaxed right away?
Oh yeah. Rare, but yeah.
What's different?
They don't rush. They listen. They smile.
They react.
Exactly. It's not about good English.
It's about connection.
Big word, but true. Pause.
So when someone says, tell me about yourself, maybe they're just saying,
Let's connect.
yeah, give me something small, something human.
I like that. Pause.
Let's talk about mistakes.
Ah, the scary word.
When you meet someone new and make a mistake in English,
Happens all the time.
how do you feel?
Honestly, sometimes embarrassed, sometimes I laugh.
Yeah,
Depends on the person.
that's important.
If they're kind, it's easy.
If they're not, it's harder.
But most people are kind.
True. And if you smile and keep going, it's okay.
Exactly. Pause. I once said, I'm boring, when I wanted to say, I'm bored.
Oh no,
The person laughed and said, maybe a little.
that's mean.
But we laughed together. It broke the ice.
See, mistakes can help,
Yeah, they make stories.
and stories make conversations.
Full circle. Pause.
Let's slow down a bit.
Okay?
Imagine you're at a new job. First day.
Oof.
Someone sits next to you. They say, hi,
Hi.
I'm Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I'm Wally.
Silence.
That's silence.
What do you say next?
I might say, is this your first day too?
Good.
Or how long have you worked here?
Simple. Natural.
No pressure.
And then they might ask, so about you. Tell me about yourself.
And I don't need a speech.
No, just pieces.
I just started. I'm still learning. I'm a bit nervous.
That's honest.
And people like honesty.
They do. Pause.
You know, I think podcasts like this help because people hear rhythm,
Yeah, the flow.
not just words.
And they hear that it's okay to stop,
To think,
to say,
to laugh.
especially to laugh.
So if you're listening now, you're doing great.
Yeah, really.
You don't need perfect English
You need real English,
and real moments.
like this one. Pause.
Let me ask you something personal.
Okay.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Long pause. Sometimes.
Honest answer.
Yeah. I like it after.
Explain.
Before meeting, I'm nervous. During, I'm careful. After, I think, oh, that was nice.
That's very human.
What about you?
I'm similar. I like deep talks, not small talk. But small talk opens the door.
Exactly. Tell me about yourself is the door.
Nice image.
Thanks.
And once the door's open, you can talk about anything.
Music, food, life,
Stress,
dreams.
pizza again.
Always pizza. Pause.
Let's do a little role play, but very natural.
Okay.
We meet at a cafe.
All right.
Hey, is this seat free?
Yeah, sure.
Thanks. Busy day?
Yeah, kind of. You?
Same. Long week. Pause.
So, what do you do?
I work online, mostly writing and talking.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. What about you?
I work in an office. Nothing exciting.
Sometimes boring is good.
True. Pause.
So, tell me about yourself.
Well, I like quiet places, I like walking, and I'm trying to drink less coffee. Pause.
Trying.
See? That's it.
That's a real conversation.
No big words,
No pressure.
just humans. Pause.
I think we should slow down even more.
Okay.
Sometimes when learning English, people rush.
Yeah, they want to answer fast.
But slow is okay.
Silence is okay.
Thinking is okay.
You don't need to fill every second.
Real conversations have space.
Like now. Pause.
Yeah.
So, if someone listening wants to practice,
They can pause the podcast.
answer the questions
Tell me about yourself.
out loud,
Even alone.
especially alone.
No fear.
No judgment.
Just practice.
And over time, it feels natural.
Like breathing.
Exactly.
You know, I wish someone told me this when I was learning.
Me too.
That English is not a test.
It's a tool
To meet people.
to share life,
Even small life.
especially small life. Pause.
We've been talking a long time.
Yeah, it feels calm,
Like a real podcast.
like two friends.
Which is the point. Pause. So let's slowly wrap up.
Slowly, no rush.
Today, we talked about meeting new people.
About that question, tell me about yourself.
We learned it doesn't need to be perfect
It just needs to be honest
and simple.
and human.
Before we go, let's ask the listeners something.
Yeah,
If someone meets you tomorrow,
and asks, tell me about yourself.
what will you say?
Think about it or say it out loud.
And smile.
Always smile.
And hey, if you enjoyed this conversation,
Please like the video
subscribe to the One English podcast.
and share it with someone learning English.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, it helps a lot.
Thanks for spending this time with us.
Thanks for listening.
I'm Wally.
And I'm Sam.
See you next time.
Bye for now.